episode of Everything MVX. I am your host Vakan, and today we'll do a short market update regarding the Bitcoin price, the EGLD price, and maybe some things about SP 500. As many of you know, the launch of xPortal app is very close. It's coming in about 6 days. So maybe some of you would like to make a long on EGLD, thinking that the price will pump before this very important launch of xPortal. And I'm doing this update maybe to protect you from getting burned, because as we can see on this Bitcoin chart, the price action doesn't look so bullish, because I think we can see a double top creating on daily and even on weekly. So as you can see, there is a strong resistance line at the price of $25,200. Bitcoin hit this zone 2 times here in August and right now in these days. This double top is not confirmed yet, but we have to watch it closely. Now I'll switch the graphic to weekly. Let's see. So as you can see, this double top formation can also be seen on weekly, but pay attention because it is not formed yet. It is not confirmed. So we cannot call it a double top, but we have to be very careful. So watch again these two zones from 25k in August 22 and in February 2023. Okay, so the main idea is that if you want to feel bullish on the whole crypto market, and especially on EGLD, because it is our main hero in our story, you have to see this double top on Bitcoin not confirmed. Okay, so if we had the close over this zone of 25k, more exactly a daily close and even a weekly close over the zone of $25,200, $300, we could say that we broke this resistance zone and we can feel bullish again. So a target could be, if you are breaking this formation, we could look at the 28-30k on Bitcoin. Now let's go to EGLD. Full chart. EGLD, like many other altcoins, is copying the movements of Bitcoin. It usually copies the bullish and the bearish movements, but sometimes it moves against Bitcoin's directions, especially when we have bullish news from the MVX team. So now we are at the $49 zone. If Bitcoin breaks that 25k resistance zone, we could look at the 64, 65, even $70 zone as a potential target for a bull run, for a short bull run created by the xPortal launch. If not, if we have a double top on Bitcoin, the targets would be the $45 zone and below the $40 zone, and again the local button of 32. dollar zone. Now let's take a short look over the EGLD Bitcoin pair. Okay, also the time frame is daily. As you can see here, I've been looking closely at some kind of trend line. In fact, this is a descending channel. Started with June 2022. I don't know if this channel is still valid because I'm not a trader, so I'm just looking at it with attention. As we can see, we are back again into this channel, so we kind of broke this support line and we are again in the channel. Maybe if the hype around the xPortal launch is so big, we could break even above the resistance line and be again bullish against Bitcoin. Because as we can see, let's go on weekly. EGLD is acting pretty bad against Bitcoin, and we are in a confirmed bear market since the last month of 2021. So we had the top in November 2021, and we are in a downtrend for about 2 years. So maybe this event, the launch of xPortal, will pump and propel EGLD to higher highs, maybe, because the launch of Maya, as you can see here, was full of hype and we had a great bull run. I think from $50 to almost $200. And to sum up and close the video, let's take also a close look on SP500. There's some interesting stuff happening on this chart on SP500. As we can see, we had the top on SPX in January of 2022, and since then we are in a downward channel and below a resistance trend line, this yellow line, which we tested several times. So beginning with the top here in April 2022, then in August, then again this autumn in November. And the very interesting fact is that just some weeks ago in January, we broke over this descending line, which acted as a very strong resistance line. And yeah, maybe we will retest it here, because as we can see, we made a little top here. Maybe we can retest this zone and continue to go up, or as the macroeconomic situation, in fact condition, is not so good at the moment, maybe we could break below. So this could have been just a fake out, and maybe we could go below and continue this bearish formation and fall into a deeper recession, as so many people are saying. We don't know, we cannot know this for sure. And now the last thing I want to show you is this thing given by an indicator called the simple moving average. We have 3 of them: the 50, the 100 and the 200 moving averages. And as we can see on the weekly chart, this 200 SMA acted as a very strong support in the past. So as you can see, it acted as a support right from 2011, 2015, 2018, and even the COVID crash looked like a fake out under this 200 SMA, because it was a period full of panic and the stock market dropped abruptly, and then we came back and continued in a very bullish fashion until January 2022. And as we can see here, this purple line also acted as a support in this autumn, in October. So maybe we could have a bottom here. We don't know. So to sum up this video, if you want to open a long on EGLD because you think the xPortal launch will be very bullish for EGLD, be very careful at this double top formation that is forming on Bitcoin. And if you see it confirmed, do not open a long, especially if you want to use leverage. Be very careful, because Bitcoin may not be your friend this time. But if we break above this zone of 25k, me myself would be very bullish, and maybe I could open a long on gold until this zone of 65, sorry, this one, $65. So thank you very much guys for watching. I was Vakan, your host. Thank you for your patience that you're having with my accent and with my slow tablet. And you can also write me and tell me your opinions on Twitter. You can comment down below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next time. Bye guys.